Hey family, how's it going? Just wanted to make a quick video about a book that I've been reading and that I've been enjoying, and I just wanted to share something because I think it's all something that we could, uh, that we're all trying to, it's, not all maybe, but some of us are trying to cultivate in our lives, which is peace of mind. And so he's talking in the book that I'm reading called the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. I don't know if that's exactly how you say that, but anyhow, he talks about the four locks and the four keys. And the four locks are certain types of people or categories that people kind of come under. And he was saying the happy people, the unhappy people, the virtuous, and the wicked. Again, these are just the words that he uses, and you can create any sort of words that you want if you choose. So he says the first lock or the first key to the lock for happy people is to have peace of mind and to have that serenity inside the mind, that love and gratitude of life is to be friendly with those that are happy. So if, let's say, for example, right now you may have an attitude of, I'm not that happy, and when I see other happy people, I don't like them, or they must have done it in blah 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 blah, like whatever excuses and ways that you want to project upon them. Um, it doesn't help your peace of mind, and if ultimately you would like a little bit of peace of mind, try being friendly towards those that are happy, and to be friendly towards yourself as well, and say, hey, I too would like to be like that. And I think when you cultivate a attitude of friendliness towards those that are happy, you may, one, perhaps even talk with them and speak with them about their life and their happiness, and maybe get to actually know them a little bit more versus judging or presuming or assuming that the reason why they're happy is blah 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 blah. Second one is unhappy people, and to have compassion. So the second key to unlocking this to unhappy people is having compassion, helping them if you can, in any way, shape, or form. And again, it's not, you're not helping them because you were trying to solve something for them. You're, whether or not something helps them or not, is indifferent to the peace of mind that we're all trying to, in the book he says we're all trying to discover and have, is to not let the mind get agitated. So yeah, it's, if anything, you helping another person the best that you can in whatever way that feels right for you to have that peace of mind, you do that. And we, only everybody benefits. And again, you're not pushing them, or you're not trying too hard because you're not trying to attain a status of the mind. You're not trying to create more thoughts in the mind, but to create tranquility in the mind by giving if you can. The third is the virtuous, those that are beautiful beings that you can emulate, role models, people that when you meet them, and again, don't think of these as just older people. Kids are very virtuous. When I read this, I immediately thought of a young girl. She's 3 years old, that I was kind of working with, or I'm staying at a place and I was helping out around the house, helping with the kids, and she was a bundle of energy, and sometimes she'd make me very tired. And perhaps it was because I was not understanding that, not just so much understanding, but maybe my attitude was not trying to raise my vibration to the level of her, and instead was trying to perhaps pull her down to the level of energy that I had. Um, Not to say that I was doing that, but perhaps I was. I could look into that situation further and kind of recollect my experiences and thoughts on that. But but yeah, like, everybody has virtuousness in them, and if you see something, look to emulate it. Don't envy it, and don't try to pull others down, and be admirable to those. And then the last one is the wicked. The wicked is, again, just think of those that are just very, if you try to give them any advice, they'll disregard it, or two, they may even do something, in a negative manner towards you. which takes away your peace of mind even when you were just trying to help. So if you sense that, there's somebody that's, you can already, most of the times you can just feel it. It's best to have peace of mind and indifference. So that's the fourth key for wicked people is indifference. Indifference is saying, hey, like I may have been like that yesterday, or you know, am I at least better now? Or I wish to, I don't want wickedness, but perhaps that stuff still lingers in me. And that gives you peace of mind, remember, which is what the Yoga Sutras and something that they're talking about is you're trying to cultivate. You're not trying to create any other sort of emotional or thoughtful things inside the mind. To just remain indifferent, not knowing that you may perhaps have those qualities inside of you. And again, I think there's a little level of compassion that sits in that. So yeah, don't look to advise these people. They're not ready. When they're ready for advice, they'll change. And yeah, that will give you peace of mind. Anyways, I hope this video helps anybody. It's helped me. One, speak it out. So thank you. Also, two, is just, yeah, why not share vibrations of being that are a positive light in the way that I see things towards other human beings, which is something that we're having a hard time with in this world, and something again I would struggle with, and the whatever words you want to call them, the pains and of the impressions and the experiences that we've had and the way we've perceived these experiences as hurtful, or we felt victim to these things. They still lie within us, and these are great ways or great keys to help remove what is not true, and to let just what the truth is shine through. Anyways, love you all, and thank you so much.